What's up YouTube universe? If you are a new YouTuber or thinking about starting a channel, then you've reached the right channel. Keep watching. I'm Brad and my passion is to provide tips and inspiration for new content creators and influencers on YouTube so you can organically increase your channel views, gain new subscribers, and engagement. In my videos, I will be answering tough questions like, what camera do I buy? What kind of channel should I make? Should I do reviews, comedy, cooking, tutorials, etc.? How do I get more subscribers? How do I market my business? What is the secret sauce of how other YouTubers are making such a big impact? How do I use video and other social media platforms? Which all sums up to, how can I be successful? I provide inspiration for new channels to keep on keeping on, to be visionaries, to never give up, to not let anyone steal your dream, and my biggest message is not comparing yourself to others and becoming the best version of you. I provide tips and strategies so you can get more results, more subscribers, more likes, and more interaction on your channel. YouTube is a great way to share your message, become an expert at your craft or niche, find your audience, and your ride or dies. To make sure you get all of my latest videos, subscribe and tap on the notification button right now because you just can't miss what I have to share. And I'll see you in the comments. Peace.